Hi guys, I'm back again, and till now we have seen a lot of stuff writing about headline, about section headline, and also choosing your profile photo, choosing your cover photo, and a lot of stuff. So in this video lesson, I'm just going through the two things that generally people don't uh, explain to anyone, but it you learn it from experience. But I just don't want to leave anything incomplete, so that I just want to cover that stuff as well. If you see it over here, I will show you guys. So I in this video we're just going to cover about this dashboard stuff and this activity stuff. These two are the things that you will have to take care of when you are trying to increase your visibility, and this just gives you an idea of how well your profile is performing, how well your posts are performing, how are the engagement activities over there, and a lot of stuff. So if you see it over here in this stuff, this is basically who has viewed your profile. Basically there is a premium thing for this. If you have a premium, you can just get the exact profiles who are viewing your profile, but in other cases you can't just find it. As you can see, I was 23 views in October 2020. I had only 13, 12. I think you too might be in this kind of a thing only, in this sort of thing. So after that, I just boosted, I learned the stuff, and presently I'm like on top of the hill. So this is what going. I definitely think it would be going like this onto the top because I am learning a lot of stuff, and I'm implementing the same, and I'm sharing the same stuff with you, so you could also replicate the same by implementing this stuff. And I want you to understand from this graph is that this is who has viewed your profile. You can see who are the people, and when have they viewed your profile, right? To see all the views, you have to take the premium, which I really don't suggest. But you could definitely, as a student, if you are in a beginner phase learning this stuff, I don't think you need it now. You can use it once you get better at stuff, and in upcoming months you can just take it, because as you saw in the stats I shared, that 39% of LinkedIn users take LinkedIn Premium because it's a very promising service, and you get a lot of stuff back from that, and it is a very useful stuff. So you can just see all your profile viewers over here, if they are in your network, and if they're not, then these people just hide it like that. And this you can see percentage last week, how much increase in that. And in past 90 days I got around 700 profile visits in 90 days. That's a good number. Daily 7 profile visits is a good number. And you can also see interesting views. People who work at my who are from my college, people who are in at this triple IT Gwalior ECEL. And you can also see a lot of people like having the job title and all those. But actually the one interesting thing is that LinkedIn provides premium free for the first month, which is pretty awesome, and you no need any credit card or any stuff. So I really think you can check it out, but I really recommend don't click on this till now itself. Even if I'm over here, I'm not clicking it booker, because I just want to use it when it really feels like I want opportunities, because I'm just building and learning and sharing my experience with you guys. And presently I'm not looking for anything like that very fast, like in a very urgent way, so that I am not taken the 1 month free trial yet. And definitely when I take it, I will just leave a bonus lesson in this course at the end, so that you could learn what and all are there in the premium stuff as well. And one more thing is that this premium costs you around 1200 or 1300 per month, which is a not which is a pretty much safe bet, and it's definitely going to be worth every penny. So you can just pay for it if you are looking for opportunities, or else you can just use the free features. Definitely they are going to help you. But if you want to fasten the process, and you have to, if you have to get more understanding of who are visiting your profile, and if you want to send out in-mail things, and if you want to get uh, the premium benefits, then definitely you can check it out. So this was what this stuff, and this stuff just shows what's the stats of your content for today. And I just posted a video a couple of minutes back, so you can just see this stuff based on your this how many views your thing has got. 468 video views, and this 401, and I do get a pretty decent 1500. I got only 1442, for which these stats are pretty much impressive. And I get good views of posts when I post uh, content that really my network likes. Because see this 1897, 2000, 3389, we would be seeing in the upcoming lectures, like how to attain this 3389 is not a joke, because it's like three times of, like 2.5 times my following stuff. And I just wrote my decade over here. So I would give you a sample topics as well on what you have to write your posts on, right? So that's all. So that's what I really wanted to show you on basis on the first two stuff. And these are the search appearances. Whenever people are searching for you or your name, based on what search keyword your profile is coming, or the people who are searching are from which organization, or what work they do, and all of that you can see, like what from where are they are from IIT Roorkee, Internshala, Mass Challenge, and a lot of people. And in last 7 days, in last 7 to 8 days, I got around 1000 sorry 100 profile visits, which really is awesome, because in 7 days getting 100 is, it's a good one. And the searches are 10% from the founders, 10% from business strategists. This is a pretty good analysis where you can use and you can shape and see if your profile is really ranking on right grounds. And you can also see the keywords where you are being highlighted, co-founder, head, or head of department. So you can just have insights from this. And also, so the activity stuff is pretty much based on what the stuff you are doing. And it just keeps a record of stuff. You can see your posts, comments, and a lot of stuff. Whatever you are done till now, you can see the all activity. You can see the articles you have posted, you can see the posts that you have posted, you can see the documents that you have posted, and you can see your interests and a lot of stuff. This completely like the activity that you have done, and you have shared or posted or commented or liked or anything uh, like that stuff. This pretty much it in an exhaustive way. You can also manage your followers actually. If you are not willing to follow anyone, you can just remove them over there, so that you don't get their notifications, right? So if I click like this, it just unfollows it. Okay, so that's all for this. And a lot of people, these are my followers, and these are the things I'm following, right? I follow a lot of organizations as well. So it just pretty much allows you to glance through what you follow and who follows you. So this is all for this lesson, and I just wanted to show you things that are just present on your profile, and how you should really take up things, and what do you really understand by the things present over here. So this is all for this lesson. This lesson was just like a kind of a just delivering kind of a thing, because this stuff generally is just for use. This kind of a stuff is analytics, which is called as analytics. You can just see the numbers, how you are performing, how your content is performing, or how your profile is performing. So this is very much important to analyze and keep track of your insights, so that you can see how your profile is performing. If you change the headline of your profile, and if you keep it for a couple of days, and you can see how what is the change that profile the changes that you have done to the profile are bringing in actions for you or not. That's all for this lesson. And it's pretty much necessary to keep track of numbers because it's very much important, right? So this is all for this lesson on this dashboard and activity sections of profiles. And this is all for this lesson, and hopefully meet you in the next one. Bye guys.